CBSE 10th class Maths sample paper important questions May 2021. Friends, welcome to my channel. I am Vamsi Krishna. So today I am going to tell about the most important subject that's going to the Maths of 10th class CBSE. CBSE 10th class Maths important questions. That's going to be the sample paper for May 2021 public exams. Friends, I suggest each and every student to watch the video completely first. This video is very important to each and every student, my dear friends. I suggest and I request all the students to watch the video completely so that you can get an idea what kind of questions may appear in the public examinations without fail. This mathematics sample paper for May 2021 is very important, especially the standard maths sample paper. The friends, this paper I suggest once again, if you want to know more important details, the main important point is, if you want to know the more important details regarding important questions of maths sample paper for May 2021, in the description below of this video, you can find the details as well as information regarding maths sample paper for May 2021 of 10th class CBSE. So here there are some important topics today I am going to discuss, friends. So what are those topics? First of all, I suggest each and every student try to practice well. Mathematics as subject is to practice well in the to get good marks in the public examinations. To get a good marks in the public examinations, students need to practice well a lot in the rough book as well as in the notebook, especially the formulas. In mathematics papers, formulas are very important, my dear friends. So today in this video, the most important concepts in which I am going to tell you is, the first one is inverse trigonometric functions. Very important. Very important topic, that is going to be the inverse trigonometric functions. Definitions of inverse trigonometric. What is the meaning of inverse trigonometric function? Definition of inverse trigonometric function: range, domain, principle, value branch, relation and functions, types of relation. What is the definition of function? What is the meaning of function? What are the relations in functions? What are the types of relations? What is a symmetric? What is a matrices? Matrices is one of the most important topic, is one of the most important lesson in which each and every student can easily understand the definition and the introduction of matrices. Matrices is one of the most important topic, my dear friends. Introduction of matrices. First, what is a square matrices, rectangular matrices? Okay, A plus B matrices, A into B matrices. First, students should be able to understand the meaning of matrices. Introduction, matrix, types of matrices. What are the types of matrices? Transpose of a matrix. What is that A transpose? What is a B transpose? What is A into B transpose? What is A transpose plus B transpose problems? So students should be able to understand the concept and the meaning, and always try to practice well in the public examinations. Practice well in a notebook. Mathematics is a subject, once again, is to practice well in a notebook. And next one is determinants. Determinants is one of the important concept. And differential equation, dy by dx, differentiation of sin x, differentiation of cos x, basic concepts of differential equation, dy by dx, d by dx of x, d by dx of sin x, d by dx of 1. So like that, differential equation is one of the most important concept. Each and every student should be able to practice well in mathematics paper, because CBSE 10th class maths sample paper is the most important to each and every student, my dear friends, to get a good marks, to get 100 out of 100 marks in mathematics sample paper for May 2021. I suggest all the students to practice well, and most important point is in the description below of this video, in the description below you can find the information regarding CBSE Maths sample paper for May 2021 of CBSE 10th class. So finally, if you like my video, please try to subscribe my channel, click on bell icon so that you get my updated next videos. Thank you so much, friends.